Hi, my name is Alex and I'm working on my brand new car. We are working on the thermostat housing. We need a ring for the pipe for the water. Now we have to find the same exact size. Now I have to put on the O-ring. I put in 3 screws. I put in this back one, this one, and this one. I need to clean this. Now sometimes accidents happen. When I finished the mess up, I then put the hoses in, tightened all the clamps, and now we are done with the thermostat housing. Oh my god. Bye, and make sure you subscribe for part 2.